The next 30 minutes is the Sounds of Africa radio show with DBrown. He can be heard here every Sunday at 3 p.m. And now, the Sounds of Africa.
Every day, AM 970, WRCS, Ahoskie.
Yeah, man, we've come to give thanks and praises to the Almighty God upon this program, and we call it the Sounds of Africa. And you know, it is your boy, DBrown. I know a lot of you are actually starting to like, what is he doing? Yes, let me tell you what I'm doing. This is Reggae Sunday, and we are feeling excited, and I'm so excited. Do you know why? Because it's another time for me to spend and enjoy and have a good Sunday afternoon ride with y'all. And it's so and always exciting and amazing. Come on. I know by now you're starting to think what I'm thinking. You know, being anticipative and trying to say, oh, what's coming next? What's coming next? What is he going to bring next? Well, I'm always going to give you the exciting part of me, and this is what you get, because I come to light up your day and put a smile upon your face. You know what me say? Yeah, man. Okay, so the first song on this program today is actually so exciting. I got to listen to it again before this program, and I'm talking about Jgreat Af the Most High. Yeah, that's the guy's name. He is a wonderful reggae artist, and he is coming up with this one called You've Been Good. You know what me say? Light it up for us, Jgreat with You've Been Good. Yeah, man, take it away.
Alright, yeah. When I think about them and the things that you have done for my life, come upon my life. That's how I lift your name straight. Upon the cross you send your son to come and die for me. It took away all the pain, it took the misery. And when he came and bled upon the cross of Calvary, that is why you took away the chains and the penury. Hallelujah is the highest praise. Jah me gonna give you praise in and every place. Cause you come upon me life, I took away this grace. And you took away the chain, and you took the chains. No one I ever had these things that you done. You came upon my life and make my fire burn. You never let me boy you ever fall. Why? Jaja, you been good to me life all of the time. That's why me give you all of the praise. Jaja, you been good to me life all of the time. That's why me give you all of the praise. Jaja, you been good to me life all of the time. That's why me give you all of the praise. Jaja, you been good to me life all of the time. That's why we give you all the praise. Yeah, you been to go to I and I, man, me cannot deny. Lift me out of dust and set me feet up on the rock. Never let me boy fi drop and never let me boy fi cry. That's why me lift your name high. Lift me from the miry clay. Set me feet up on the sky. Never let me cry. Make a boy a super fly. Never let me dull. Every day you make me tall. Never let me fall. You make me boy a stand out and stop our ends down one jar. I mean we are coming. We no coming with no gun. We no coming with no bomb. AK-47 no bomb action. We are prisoner. We matter. We go pull them down. Good to me life all of the time. That's why me give you all of the praise. Jaja, you been good to me life all of the time. That's why me give you all of the praise. Jaja, you been good to me life all of the time. That's why me give you all of the praise. Jaja, you been good to me life all of the time. That's why we give you all the praise. That's why me give you all of the praise. That's why me give you all of the praise. You send your precious son to die for me. Went upon the Calvary and gave me victory. I took the pain, I took the chains, I took the misery. And when he went upon the cross and he died for me. Jah, you been too good all the time. Come upon me life and make me boy a whole shine. Never let me die, never let me boy fright. Come and you light up me light. Good to me life all of the time. Jaja, you been good. That's why me give you all of the praise. Jaja, you been good. That's why me give you all of the. Jaja, you been good to me life all of the time. That's why we give you all the praise. give you all of the praise and all of the thanks and all of the worship. Cause you've been too good and been too good to I and I. You never let me fall, you never let me buy for dry. That's why me give you all of the thanks. With all the mercy.
And you were listening to the Sounds of Africa radio show with DBrown. The Sounds of Africa radio show brings you African gospel vibes, news, and in-depth stories. Do you like them? Do you love them? Do you want to support them? If so, please send your donations to DBrown in care of Joy 97 Radio. And join us each Sunday at 3:30 p.m. for the Sounds of Africa radio show with DBrown. For your best in gospel reggae jams, tune in each Sunday to this station for Reggae Sunday.
So, Jaja, you've been good. All of my time and the dine. Then the dan, good. I love that song, you know. It just gets me praising. It gets me on my feet, like hyping and jumping, you know, like the reggae style of dance. That's what I get to do. Yeah, thank you so much, Jgreat Af the Most High. Respect, big respect to you. You know what I'm saying? Respect, because you're a good man. You're a good artist, and I love it. I love you. I know Sounds of Africa loves you, you know. That's why we get you here. Yeah, people, this is WRCS 970 AM Ahoskie, and I know that you're liking this show because this is your best show. So, today we're going to be talking about one of the biggest topics that a lot of people don't want to talk about. Yeah, so I always, jump into this aspect, you know. This topic is why reggae music and Christianity. I want you to think a bit. What do you really think? Which do you share? Which part do you belong to? Is it the fact that gospel music should not include reggae music, or you believe that reggae music should be included or should be played as any other song? So you're listening in the comments, and you can, go to our social media handles and send us a message, or, leave your comments and leave your point. Well, before we come back to this topic, I want us to listen to another song by Mbomboyo. And it is biggest respect that I play his song. I get you to listen to his song on this program. And I'm talking about Jah Will Make a Way. So let's go listen to Jah Will Make a Way by Mbomboyo. Boom!
Is I and I again. Seated in the heavenly places with the most high. Ooh yeah, high. Conscious lyrics about the Savior, Jesus Christ, Messiah. I and I passing through the valley of the shadow of death, staggering at your promises, almost lost my faith. Wondering and wondering why life is so cold. Some of them hopes they fail, Satan man seem to prevail, and all my faith and trust gone almost stale. Just hanging on and holding on, I almost let go. But then I see the way, I no more mind the delay. Me no one go astray, no matter what them say. Aye, sooner or later there will be a brighter day, better day. He will make a way, Jah will make a way, no matter the delay. Don't you go astray. Aye, sooner or later there will be a brighter day. He will make a way, Jah will make a way, no matter the delay. Don't you go astray. Aye, sooner or later there will be a brighter day. Never, never, never give up. Just hold on, yeah. Jah will make a way once again. No matter what I want from your life and from your area, you're facing mountains from your marriage and your career. Tempted and hated, distracted and obstructed. Enemies stay clear, you cannot frustrate me, I'm anointed. Some may say, step Jah till the end. No matter what you want, no sender. Stand up on the rock, you depend. Never follow Satan. Satan man a liar. Just keep on trusting Jehovah and he will make a way. Jah will make a way. No matter the delay, don't you go astray. Hey, sooner or later there will be a brighter day. He will make a way. Jah will make a way. No matter the delay, don't you go astray. Hey, sooner or later there will be a brighter day. Jah things can never be the same. No matter what I want to send, I stand up upon the rock you depend. Never, never, never give up. Just hold on, yeah. He will make a way once again. God will make a way, no matter the delay. Don't you go astray. Sooner or later there will be a brighter day. He will make a way, God will make a way, no matter the delay. Don't you go astray. Sooner or later there will be a brighter day. Respect, DC280 Records. Salute the big boss, Masika. Spin over, alongside TT on the track. Chat on things. We follow alongside. Boom, boom. DC280 Records.
Yeah, Jah will make a way, He will make a way. Well, that song by Mbomboyo was first done by WRCS. So, having said that, which do you belong to? Which do you think should be gospel, reggae, music, or it should not be in Christianity? Reggae music should not be included in the Christendom. Tell me, we are still waiting for your submission. Well, so before that, I'm going to bring to you the father himself. I'm talking about Lieutenant Stitchie. Lieutenant Stitchie has been one of the longest artists that I have come to know. I mean, it is one thing for someone to be in the secular world and come to the gospel reggae scene and blows beat too. This man is a custodian of lyrics. He's a lyrical god, a lyrical general. I'm talking about Lieutenant Stitchie, and he's been behind a lot of songs, a lot of reggae songs that are blasting the airwaves and causing the people to really enjoy and have fun, and also try to point to the salient things of Christianity, because he is a pastor. Yeah, Lieutenant Stitchie is a pastor, and I'm liking it. So, you remember the first time on the first episode of Reggae Sunday, we had Jehovah that was a remix by Mbomboyo. Well, original Jehovah by Lieutenant Stitchie. Let's take it to Lieutenant Stitchie. Boom!
Stitchie, I go bless the Lord, yeah, each and every time. Hey. Put your one in the ear, but in the mouth and let me shout out Jehovah. Put the one in the ear, but in the mouth and let me shout out Jehovah, forever and ever and ever and ever. Amen. Amen.
There is none like him, nowhere, none can compare to him.
Put your one in the ear, but in your mouth and let me shout out Jehovah. Put the one in the ear, but in your mouth and let me shout out Jehovah. Jehovah, forever and ever and ever and ever. Amen. Jehovah Nissi, him a me banner, Jehovah Jireh, me provider, Jehovah Rapha, him a me healer, me call him black bite, cause I'm a teacher, always present, Jehovah Shammah, Makadesh, me sanctifier, Jehovah Shalom, me peace, so make me tremble the beast. Put your one in the ear, but in your mouth, and let me shout out Jehovah. Put the one in the ear, but in your mouth, and let me shout out Jehovah, forever and ever and ever and ever. Amen. Elohim, Elohim, El Elyon, El Shaddai. Jehovah, the king from the ground to the sky. He's almighty, money gonna give eternal life, multiply. Nobody can cut my supply. Jehovah said, you know the land of righteousness for true. Him love all I do. Jehovah Hosanna knew the land of the neck of for me and you. Him selling only for the day and the cross to save me and you. So put your hand in the air, open your mouth and help me shout out Jehovah.
Jehovah.
Put your hand in the air, open your mouth and help me shout out Jehovah.
Jehovah.
Jehovah, 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 forever and ever and ever and ever. Amen. Amen. Jehovah no sleep, him no retire, him a consuming fire, not available for hire, him no kite or fire. But Jehovah me inspire, and because of him we die. So me office say a prayer to the one king me admire. Oh Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done. On earth as it is in heaven, give us this day our daily bread. And forgive us our debtors, and forgive our debtors. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil one. For yours is the kingdom, the power and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Put your hand in the air, open your mouth and help me shout out Jehovah.
Jehovah.
Put your hand in the air, open your mouth and help me shout out Jehovah.
Jehovah.
Jehovah, 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 forever and ever and ever and ever. Amen. Amen.
There is none like him, nowhere, none can compare to him.
Put your hand in the air, open your mouth and help me shout out Jehovah.
Jehovah.
Put your hand in the air, open your mouth and help me shout out Jehovah.
Jehovah.
Jehovah, 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 forever and ever and ever and ever. Amen. Amen.
Yeah, man. Jehovah. So you see, if you compare the two songs, the reggae, the one by Mbomboyo, you know, the remix, the cover by Mbomboyo, with the original by Lieutenant Stitchie, you will see that these men of God are blowing up the place. I wouldn't say something, but let me tell you, don't tell anybody, these folks are getting better than the secular reggae musicians. I hope nobody else heard that, just you. Well, the truth is, they are bringing a lot to the table, and I'm liking it. I'm liking it so much, and it is always so exciting for me to know that gospel is doing as much as the secular world is doing. So, what am I talking about? All the genres of music are being used in the Christian music scene. So why not reggae? Reggae, like other genres, is a genre. So why shouldn't reggae play in the Christian scene? I'm thinking differently. That's my thought. What about yours? What is your thought? So I want you to leave us a comment. What do you think? Where do you belong? What is your point? Let's know. Send it to us. Come to our social media handles, DBrown Namna Brown on Facebook. So on Instagram at DBrown Brown, and on Twitter you can do DBrown9. And know what? Next episode we are going to read out some of the submission by people. So having said that, I'm going to bring to you another reggae song by Mercy Masika. Mercy did this one with Guardian Angel all the way from Kenya, and I'm talking about Shule Yako. So this is where you get to hear reggae music in another dialect, you know what I'm saying? So tell me what you think, because it's amazing for me. These guys are really, really doing big things. They're doing big and mighty things. So what a one. Let's get to listen to Mercy Masika with Shule Yako featuring Guardian Angel.
Levin, chop is a flavor upon the beat. Max Stone, kiss up here with them. G-Man a Kwanso. G-Man a Guana must represent for this Lord of Mercy. Come teach me how you want. Come later, make we follow them. No rubber can erase away you ride with them. Go, Shule Yako, Shule Yako, Shule Yako. Nikiwa nawe kama mwalimu, najua nitahitimu, nitashinda adui akileta majaribu. Unitayarishe, unibadilishe, mtihani nipite, mwito nitimize. Nijue kuandika, niandike maono yangu. One the way you educating on your school and no other. One bag of tune, now you be boss for you, me father. Teach me how to sing in the truth and in the spirit. Just use me how you feel it and direct me how you want it, Lord. Come lead and make me follow them. No rubber can erase away you ride for them, Lord. Shule Yako, Shule Yako, Shule Yako. Come lead and make me follow them. No rubber can erase away you ride for them, Lord. Shule Yako, Shule Yako, Shule Yako. Baba nichukue, nifunze, nataka kusoma kwa shule yako, kwa shule yako. Baba nichukue, nifunze, nataka kusoma kwa shule yako, kwa shule yako. Nifunze kuandika, niandike maono yangu, nifunze kuhesabu, nihesabu baraka zako, nifunze kuongea, nihubiri injili yako kwa watu wote, yeah. Baba nichukue, nifunze, nataka kusoma kwa shule yako, kwa shule yako. Baba nichukue, nifunze, nataka kwa shule yako, yeah.
So what do you think about another language on a reggae tune? It's amazing, right? I love it. I love it. I love it. So I guess when you listen to Sounds of Africa, you will agree that African sounds are taking the best of the world. Yeah. And gospel music isn't standing backwards. What you're talking about, that's what me see and what you think. You agree with me, right? Yeah, man. Big respect. So, it is rather unfortunate that we've come to the end of this episode of Sounds of Africa. The truth is, when it gets to this point, I always feel this, sadness, but kind of joyful because we have spent a good time together. So I'm sad because I have to leave here. You can't imagine how time flies when you're spending some good times with the good people. And y'all are the good people. Big respect to all of you listening to us right here. Because it's always an amazing time. And I'm always doing my best to make sure that y'all have an amazing time. Yeah, this is your boy DBrown. And this show is never ending because as we are going, we are coming back. Yeah, man. I'm talking about the fact that I love you guys. And I know that y'all love this program. So, big ups to you listening. Big ups to us here. Big ups to everyone that has been in support of this program. I'm talking about WRCS. I'm talking about Dr. J. I'm talking about Albert Williams. I'm talking about a lot of other people that has been so supportive. This is your boy DBrown doing the sign out. And before I do it, I want to say that I'm bringing up next one of the biggest artists. Now the fact is that this artist is a government official and he is still doing music. This is one thing that is so exciting and I love it so much. I love it. And I'm talking about no other person than Godfada, called the Hosanna. And you're gonna have a lot of good times. So this is me saying have a wonderful Sunday evening. Boom.
Roll the drums and come with it. Glory to Jesus. Hosanna, Hosanna. When I wake up in the morning, I will sing Hosanna. Hosanna, Hosanna. When I wake up in the morning, I will sing Hosanna, Hosanna. When I wake up in the morning, oh na na na, Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna.
will tell the world of His goodness. When I wake up with a miracle, I will sing Hosanna. I will join the 24 elders. I will bow down and worship Him. When I wake up with a testimony, I will sing Hosanna. Hosanna. When I wake up in the morning, I will sing Hosanna, 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 Hosanna. When I wake up in the morning, I will sing Hosanna. Maximum respect to God Most High, Maker of heaven and earth. Your kingdom shall reign forever and ever and ever. If you've ever seen the blessings of the Lord, when I sing you will stand up and dance. When I said it is over, it means your sorrows has gone away. It is a beautiful thing to remember all the things that God has done for me. When I woke up hearing that beautiful news, I shouted Hosanna.